Gibo calcium gutetheria gutendera kwa mwiri jo ng'ombe na moguni jangi kathumba. Maclick Super ina reguya kung'ana kenda gutigira ng'ombe yaku kurungama igiterere batere na kinya kwe wakaja ukagita karea kabati. Kuroki murimi tigira no gutumira maguta ja ukama ja CKL Milking Salve ikuma kwa CKL Africa maguta ja gatetheria weka kigina na baita anto karawo gitumaira ke kudigita murimo ja mastitis kiri ng'ombe ku utumiri bobu ngimo maguta jaja ne butethagia kuoria maronda na meatuka nyonto ne cia ng'ombe ikenda kurigiria gutamba kwa murimo ja mastitis kenda gutumira maguta jaja ithrogia kaja makainjerene mbere ya kwambiria gukama
da yiri kiro kita ndege 15 ukirwa na arua tutena mbere na cia mero it's getting interesting day by day
hakuna break
ya kazi gani nala hitaji break
na jana MCs walisema we don't want peace
au ndo kwambiria Mr. Eric Kimathi, thank you very much Mr. Eric nontoba kuona kanya kwa na batu kirwa na arua of course na kwarandia na mumero so MCAs ba mero 62
yes.
kurari na muchamano ywa atongeria ba assembly batongeretwe ni speaker minority na rutere rwake rwa atongeria bangi na minority na majority na rutere rwake muchamano yura atongeretwe ni chair wa COG Madam Anne Waiguru na MCAs baba yokurekania na muchamano yu barejire ba ambire ku brief MCAs bangi 62 MCAs baba yuko brief barawire ulisikia wapi yaka kinyoba tukwenda thiri
okibwaga Martin na county na team yokuyo leo ntobomba na kanya ku Kironaru kweza kutegera mantazaji tena mbere jazo affect utoro petu day by day
karibu
kambuge Martin iman to expect it actually niki one imbichera yonekanite non to bakula go take responsibility one niki kugo Martin ikeja kudhura mutongeri yake za adama in the other office in front of ananchi with no regard menandi Martin idhiro te kwenda ku respected individual no mwanka we heshima the office you see non to MCs ba they are worried me they boba ingi na bakugo gwa bakugatire twitikanire but imbicherero onekanite nori ata individual nomba weta muchemanyo wagaruka kairi yes
how bad can it get mwangu atwikatire MCA actually mutongeri atiomba ku take award ya mutongeri onke mwambo yo mutongeri I expected no mwandenge yeah
Martin biji gintu kimwe it's sad kudura tobati kwa rawo a different opinion wa mwakanya akaria because to an extent imutongeria wonde for example if ikaba ingavana na bati kwa kanya akaria rajawe adria MC no akaewa mutongeri ongea akaewa kanya akagitirwa because of course the moment to dictate what you want to hear then it's nisenda signal kinyaza to witikanire Martin jomba jara wende tijo kadibia see it starts there non tekeja kuthura responsibility ne mutongeria no mwankanya ogo Martin who accept koiro manto itrona for example uru tiketo tamwirite you see you speak kile unataka I remember kibaki sometimes yote ni nande you see you get it man of course there are emotional involved na kuna feelings there therefore nobody could define Robert boundary then you give a chance to someone no mwankato wekanya mtonge opinion yewe stand not of course tirazima witireo lakini mweka anya express because at the end of the day mtu either tumudingite kura tumudingite representative wananchi ba either to the level of governor kana level MC ko governor atomwetere atomunderegirite atokama atodidiora kenda lakini African of course there is other institutions to it also responsibility same case at the MCAs they need to put respect my Martin into traffic toba kutore one side
sorry kire kire akiti ne ko ine atri ko ya kwithirwa muchimano yo wikwa
yes
atongerie ba mbunge bayo governorio na iromba ya MCAs ba yari batsemani na governor
yes.
na ba utsemania so what else does it mean ndio kiendelea mwaka
na ikuraga baduka batewetekania
Okay, probably ni tuti privy in what the discussion demands chiao
demands mbele yari
yes
word
Ward
fund
fund.
okay sawa you will give the word
yes
bawa hatutaki
abere bakurukinya mandazi kurukie nicho tukaruga
Martin I think with Kenire there are MCs more by bambira the only problem ni goodwill non tukeja kudhara for example no kwenda discussion etera tini utupati kwa rairinga kiongo every time that no mwanka ikethari ugora your way that's ntokuletera budget wenda kwa mendi sawa no to nyaketha ni si to jite kulipa mndena joko isi miario ni to mamdo akaigwa ena issue lakini kitu mkwira atongere batiku kutega miario yao asipase non to miario ne define amanto maingi Martin I think fear ya atongere babange ni commitment based on experience ira na interaction miario ne Martin
so exactly what should be
Martin
kenanto babona mtu yungi are committed
I feel ibabati ukaradi ko Martin
I think they want too much kinyabo
ito kwenda re kumenya Martin apart from the word fund imbingi bagoitia me of course mwananchi ari ruatiri okay ngavana agoitikiria ni word fund bukurega na of course ketoza akore mari ito ikorin kamera kaneni to dikire bonde mtu ahiwa moni za
ngora matubeze bonde bagita pesa ura bagitere
pero bale amwe na de to judge to ba yes yes bonde
speaker you bude kale DMK
bonde leadership
bonde bakareo
karibu kaunti amori haya wewe unataka
exactly
Martin and I know ibo area for example there no to break interest ibo tomiro to ni CC by the vetting from morning to evening we can have the same program that bakare ndegoro but is issues chiao bakam up with an agreement bare amabonde no tunande I think governor oigoro radire kara initiative no governor no de ngira ugire kubobo kumata maguta kona nde probably got an advantage on at a neutral point let me get someone else who to tell yes I think the best thing Martin and the way we kwa mabonde but is issues chiao governor na commit to the people because bonde ni atongira tudurite kona nde to bone baki make decision bare ma Martin we have an option
which is
which is to we had a section of atongera and of course no monga to an opinion because at the end of the day Martin no monga to kare ndukuru to karirire
bere to kinyao don't to kwela mantu yeli impeachment na suspension ya county so now bana Eric bere to kinyana huko you know Governor Kawira Mwangaza ki launch manifesto we sometimes was it much dawira ati akana kandira milioni ya nalimo award na actually na tariti bo yara watri itumikia county yetu itakuendelea itumikia ward yetu itokora itumikia matura yati kuendelea bo yana tubakweza watri kutena mbetse sio tiadoliri ward ya wawe kiri wadhan bwake akana kandira milioni ya nalimwe omwaka first of all is it even
practical
heavily practical
Martin,
that's 4.5 billion
ukategera I think katari na in touch na reality because at the end of the day mutongere miaka 5 keja kuthiro tina touch na gitikiro kwenda no keja kuthiro no mwanko ithiro na reality Martin expenditure current in bechire chutumika na imbi utigara gwita maendeleo ni Martin hiyo ni problem area turari now from the governor na kitu minya woni kuga problem
sasa reality imempiga kwa
utayari ku hit ego sink na niko nani ari itumba kwa but I wish Martin governor I think it nje mantoja atari personal and ekai personal no tunandi karaje kai fight ku rwam to individual kiombe te institutions but Martin on the other nya MCAs nyabo kuitia kwa ward fund kibo although issues they are okay lakini ora parametrie Martin like entitlement
like it's in the katiba
yes abara onereje kama Martin it their rights and then ba wana no monga tunenkera batira na avenue nyawengwa kunenkera governor nafasi ekuji nontu nande reality go sink abete abere
Amenya,
na
it is not
attack is possible koko but I feel also MCAs bala fear in one way on the procedure with here the demand you kana kuna they own it
but they say they've tried so much to reach the governor kukarema
they have been by tumira ukakwithirwa atiri baru atiri you know, but this is yani mantu yeli nontu MCAs baru aitweretie kwithirwa tukiarania na governor at least tubanganie bura tumbothetha nikenda tutethie mumbe in terms of ward fund governor no na side aru atiri tutirimanite na nto bote muntu wenda kinya ward newe number 2 ni tware karo Mombasa number 3 bejire gwakwa you know so it get confused also
Martin kwe mtu tikwa do take responsibility either both of them nonto one Martin ndikana ekeja kuthirwa kuna good intention yo karande koro Martin bato tupati kutho involved tuginyana inchi nonto athe tuthiri mtu mono mwankari reason yo guguta Martin kuthikira imbio kwa nafasi just express yourself uiguinya mati lazima Martin umpe mawaidha jaku nkamata nkweka anyo uigwe inka determine based on my judgment imbinga ngeta neo Martin what an issue MCs nya kumara assembly that was also ikudhurani ba kulega ku take responsibility kana kudho kuwajibika ngugine yao Martin utumba ku register to tidikirite mtonge an opinion ya mtonge of course nyeketho akweza Martin mwema to athiriete because no responsibility yako ukenda kuthitha registration no mwanka withdraw na nafasi ya kuthikira governor urejera uga ikaja kuthama governor na probably governor buga thogari ria were no ndinde reality ni rasinkere na Martin come tuje tukarende to the framework ira tugomba kuthithia mbeche na winya governor na patinya kwa nafasi uni of course ki uni thogari governor aringe wakanya akana rise from 2013 to 2017 buriuga turaeza wa mbeche ije from 2017 to 2020 mbeche 2022 mbeche jobora eza au ni reno ndinda promises the million yegana tuteambe ndithie thirikari bonere ndithie standi ekwa bonere na timu irapo kampa thiria bijambo ire atiri indronere ward fund is effective but ite buko wa milioni 10 tironere ja for example MCAs bradire baretere bunge kaire boga bo barenda milioni 5 chiogerwa kimbasari the same process barenge governor nafasi no athithie thirikari then aberatire indathire stand ekwa ndona impact yembeche ibu chiwodine ichikwa effective lakini andronera atire ndaugite milioni igana reality ikuza kambongere karenio milioni 30
ende nandi tuga bararegera kumiria maybe akurega ko ba meet supposedly na narandikire kinya control of budget amwira kindly quote for me I need your guidance igurure mantu jaja no menya yarari sarcastically
I think ire terari it's not even ideal
drama
unianko agree na Martin that it wasn't the best way solution onto nandi kuira kobera tirazima mboe yes
no, first of all governor with all due respect kinyano urarongwere awatri MCAs kaba kwenda direct management ya mbeche isi ya which is not true which is even not possible kinya kisheria kinyena yeah it's not like mbeche titia gaf bwana MCA ya korombera but
governor gakonda I think governor gakonda go play victim kirimantu za John de Martin na nyawe yongo akimenya the reality no of course na weni kya kuthithio probably I feel antobapo muandamain you see now arenda kugana nde no ntobapo kagu I think to an extent it's like governor and there's a weakness somewhere seriously let's talk about uncle take to
in terms of personality
yes in terms of personality
ikwera tunoka kanini lakini tuchokera nenda kumenya atri is this how Kawira Mwangaza drives nonto yoro ndirebero akiwa atri no Friday rewa ate babwe magi yabo mpaka thai yambitithia bonene sana na I feel yaka yani yo mantu endete nonto from the word go Kawira nambiririe na andoa na Senator Kadhuri Murongi na CS Mithika Linturi ekuwa ate kuri antu bakwenda to ayera thirikari so maybe this is the only way she knows how to govern ndoene tucokerete ni tugatikura ni kirukite dakika 30 tuthome nteto na njira nteto cia biashara and then tucokera gets even hotter.
Inya star 812 star 969 hash kugwata kadil jasikiza tuni yeku.
Mambo, najua niko na kaloni kako. Nakumbuka tu nimeona tu simu yako nikajua ni kaloni. Lakini kuna kadili nakafanya hii wiki tu. Hata nitakupigia simu nikiwa katikati ya deal. Au unajua siwe peke yako na didai loan, kuna banks na nidai loan. Hata saa hii tunaongea hivi tu saa hii. Wamenitumia message na wewe pia ukanipigia na najua ni loan. Hiyo deal nitakupigia nikiwa katikati ya deal. Niko na kadil. Hata ukisikia nikikaita kadil, ni deal kubwa na utapata pesa mpaka unipee change. Hii wiki tu. Nakulipa tu hii wiki tu bro. Chill tu.
Inya star 812 star 969 hash kugwata kadil jasikiza tuni yeku.
Dagi tuikite giki ambere igwitikana tu na kuna inya. Kiabieri kwendana. Kiabira tuikanira. Nontu gikundine kinya gitare ntongerete nkabuna gikundine cyake areta thina kuja kuthwa kwa kumena bangi. Ukona mtu ukuthunguma mwangatha mwana akana. Kwa ukonjira iria gwita na cio te athunguma ana the momba kutha na maratha ingi ageta wambene. Kila kireta thina kundine. Imbechire buthuranaia untu abuchora bukathithia bukambirio kobithania. Kukobia ni kukuraga kundi nontu ku ogakoba kinya ngiri 15. Ako wangiri 15 tuko umwetia. Babu gweta kwawe. Mbeche itwa na kebiki biki ni nyingi muno. Ke chiringi ijire. Kinyoka ya kwethura moyo moyo ka chiringi 10. Iu mbeche cia 300. Moyo moka ethwo gikega negana. Iu ngiri 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please?
Kuma guciara ukaga kenge kaije keneja Weru TV ituthuruto twikura na gutambaja rungo ni untu bwako bwo mutegeri wetu irenjire mwe gutigira itukugukinyira go mutegeri na njira cionthe na ndino wone Weru TV kiri Signet na Pang free to air StarTimes channel 440 Zuku channel 39 Go TV channel 96 na nande turikiri DSTV channel 368 ibwega ni untu bwo gututikia Weru TV rumuri rwa Amero.
Ulimbo mpembe butha yu na. So nikyo ronero rumire mpembe na tia waibanga bangire ke ndoli mpembe.
Ndali mpembe kulingana na watu tete ndo na ngayete kungana. Ndivyo kuona. Ndona mpembe ni utagita yeta lain kuniari ya kwingirita ndatu. Para kende mpembe. Fendo kuna lain mpembe na market.
Na ndi nya tote mpembe tikuraja thai nya tutengirira gutha murimi na mpembe ithongio thai
na ndikyo kuona mpembe cia ndingali ntali no ntwantu bala betite on blogs kidogo betu maila eu ya kuanda mpembe ibetite bakiona maciara so ikyo kuona baba inge banitha gitunguru lakini ontu banitha gitunguru baba inge nabo ibejite na liba gichipa in kirurimi bwa mpembe.
Unikira gempeja inyale ka mbitande ndi pira kwa ndinya pale kongule ndaguliro ibange nkona kapito ekugura binge nkenderea kaire nte bathurani no ntune aturi byakwa no tronka thuka nabo impumaga itu tugikundi tweta Saturday ya mwiriga na Sunday gwikyo tuthithitie gekuru na imbetana into byakwa nkabenderia na kwe bange bale ona ndi kwa mtu ikasoma bawe na ndi kwa untage ntagita moyo. Oni antu babethe kwanza bala baiku ntuko ino ntu bo baitegemea kwegwa na utegemea bala baina mbecha kenda bane nkairo ibo nkubera ibachi omie muntu agachwaga ntukawa akaitethagia nako na akageria kuthegeia
nandi no wikire ntumirie ku ya muchemanio kiatho kana ntu bagitumi ukwenda bukinyira mwingi amo na ntumiri cia mathiko kiri Kameme ka Weru FM 96.4 ntuko chionde na chiringi 15 akio kiugo ntumirie ku no urete studio cha Weru FM kirogine Meru mbere ya thaa 11 chiogoro ntuko chionde kana uringe na mbeji 0700 117026 no gatetheka ntumirije kathoma gwa themo chiogoro on tuko ni bwega no ntubagwite na mbere gutugwata mbaru ni batwe Weru bwaku atugukinyirie ntumwe kwari okwende kinya Weru FM 96.4 rumuri rwa Ameru
inya *812*982# wekira nsambazira jasikiza tune yeku
ndikega namba riena ciarinde murie gikomanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamucie namba serega ndikega namba riena ciarinde murie gikomanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamucie namba serega ndikega namba riena ciarinde murie gikomanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamucie namba
inya *812*982# wekira nsambazira jasikiza tune yeku
mpempe ira yite bwithitwe na njira ya mwanya sana ya mwanya ate ya mwanya kwithirwa atiri nukuona ntumbure yira urire ka wakangika nini inatosha kwithirwa yikuria mpempe yani ite kwithirwa ina ikiurwa limbure nyingi kende kurana guess what mpempe yikurana meri ile na nusu na dene meri ile na nusu yikire kwe mwero wandite mpempe chi ya pan 3M05 waketha nkurukia konia 40 sekilo 90 eke mweu. Now, what you need to do? Ita dukene ya wendie intobiorimi urudhiria mpempe ya pan 3M05 pepe ye kinyete witia ngui nyingi mundene waanda kulimira yani ni kitu kidogo tu yetu witia kuya kuongela mu miria yo ni stable enough kwithira kiromia mpempe ye na ni mpempe ya tiara nkuruki ya mpempe mwaka nijiri kiritina oetina kimwe arani yana bokirukira 0721896341
Eric muendelee na swali yako.
Yeah.
Endelea.
Eric see immediately after kithurano mbere kinya gavana ithira Kenya ithumuma ikwa bwithikire muchemanio ya bwithikirite mawa iro yo aretere thine yonthe na gavana Kawira Mwangaza atetere ayikura mawita ruine ro antukweu kuri ntuko Jumatatu awita ntere chiembe awire ati kuri antu baba kwenda baya na thirikari kuri antu baba kwenda kwa iro thirikari ati barenda nusu mukate au hii mkate haitapatiano nusu haitapatiano quarter tutakula ikiwa full. I feel like maybe kuringana ndo arira twabwithitie na antu bangi mbere au bawate Kawira is fighting our own ghosts. Yini so from where someone sits omba kuthwani ati maybe Governor Kawira Mwangaza this is how she drives ndo ene.
And she trusts nobody actually.
I think to kweja kwa kiure kiu in a neutral position ingwetikia Martin at observe that Kawira since atonyera siasa. She has been running away on her own things wewe ngwa na ingwitikia Martin easy defense yawe kutake responsibility ndo Martin utumbokere every time morning no with any excuse ekurana affairs ya county Martin. For example, kwina ndo bari na interest yawe utote interest yawe either politicians or supporters nyababa ku finance their own interest. Lakini Martin bate ku dictate ugo bakaire thirikari. Martin of course ituge Martin iketha wi mutongeria naru gaitie goro Martin ukanyambo bunge. Martin ombija nyarujuru kiringa kwera monene okwari and in a interest frani. See you go take that interest either kwa county depending on probably uroko na upati. Lakini tepati kuita public Martin to jati aja uga kimadi ikara o tu kurita no chore na guitia
auto dere dabo kaya kiria video na audio
Martin
auto dere dabo kaya kiria receipts
na I think it's unfair ku treat governor ku treat electorate paraba either they never voted for her or bamuringirite it's a kaseje kugera manto with no concrete evidence. Martin engetwira atiri kiwe etwira senator na twara muchemanio noe ambira onenkera CC batano damwira ntiumba you see with the evidence you see nonto Martin ututumba kugera kanywa the other day narauga governor MCs bagwite milioni 5 nuretire she doesn't want to say. Martin is like akwenda ku run away from mantu zaraje twegie twi Martin na okara yewe nkai karaje ka we defend na I think in a target audience na ile ku address Martin na nakuga support yewereo ko antu bawe karaje ka ku gwirwa na baitanite gukara bagite kairia zaraje onde akuga athero zine Martin itubate ukinya a time tokera mutongeria urakore icheketha rongo bako bukwa too much sasa
natakore thai
Martin ga to atogachi it was for quite some time Martin na itokonoka akwire actually Martin amiru banogi we are tired of easy Martin na ingwitike it's high time now to the episode D a season finale tuchwe a finale mantu zazo no of course no frozine me kunene Martin we don't want another episode we want people want to
but I think that it's looming because I'm not really sure but I think Irojo CCs babatere kukuruka kana kugwithwa ni assembly na COG ni ragereri ere kukwatania these two houses na ni raremere so what do you expect
Martin no monka full stop ikira someone no monka
na ndino gekira
I think sit down out Martin igitari ukinya amiru barie pauge atiri itokuendera andu baba karabe kuchana yao because at the end of the Martin nyago wakarwatia remember for example toganande igoro na arakarire ndigoro na bare ya gwitikaniria aba option yao nare ya gwitikiria Martin ntego go feel oni arankinyite Martin tato feel like we are fighting for la individual kana agenda tokorano itokorete past that amiru ba korre from that area mtu aga play gender cards and we very the thing is to connect responsibility and backstops na ugwe you see Martin uje governor noe mantune ja jonte even though atukugerandira governor no but gwite MC akarande goro ageta TV ire ageta akarande goro abira nandire uni na 90 tugo no ndibatikirite tuwe mbire ni urapo kwenda Martin ngeke ya kudora ndi kamera yake gatuma county irano affair ire isawa Martin
kana maybe article 192 ya suspension ya county kana article 181 ya impeachment ya governor maybe can be
Martin let me say something I think tukona mantu zazonde atongiri barakara ndekoro I think I was also invited for maoni turi Martin ni tukonenkera nafasi atongeria MPs ba engage dialogue ikurema tukunenkera njori igwita ikurema Martin to ba kanya atongere ba to athurire MCA na governor bakarandi guru ba kurema right tukwita ningi council of governor bakwatha no ba kurema batu to gatire at what article 1 I mean section 123 ya County Government Act irombeto kumake what you've quoted ni go to responsibility no to baba ato abaere nafasi tubaderegitira baita ngugi no ntu bakore makuita ngugi Martin we only need 10% of signatory tuire thirikari atiri tuire Uhuru president sorry
move on
daktari William Ruto ndije kana tumwere atiri Martin tufomere commission either bari rero with a neutral point tuire commission form a commission suspend it form a commission udhikire and ketha bakora mukuthikira isi governor akora mukuthikira na committee no ndukira mtu ndiro akamate tomo akamate mahuta onge roje twedo kwa roje
otogothike kibuo
otogothike kibuo kiongi na ndi baturi no tutu baita responsibility to delegate temantu za zonda either MCA ketha tamudhure kwa mudhure and responsibility wodi na ko unite na ko accept responsibility yantu bonde governor the same either twamuringire kura tamuringire no responsibility mantu za zonde ko batu tore ananchi we can as well call for president for my commission
because suspend county
egotegera of course me Martin tiko suspend as such but of course karante goro commission ya form ne ikaita imbie no tutobere imbie na dina matiduri MCA imbie na dina utokuga governor utokuga kuna nde it's upon to orient beto atire it high time whether we do away with this governor and of course it ikathero ina dina kiri strength kana
ndiromba atire bubu kubanga mantu ya tupeni tu kamuda kidogo tu toirangiro drama is very interesting
Martin lakini mwananchi na kuumia isi we are all suffering Martin
doesn't want peace
Martin anataka peace aenda kwa
okay kinejo utaki nyezo bibithato bwana eri
Martin time kidogo governor ariuga atire ituchoke mashinani
tuchoke ndebele
yes inawango na kuona sawa kaende dada sasa baba ni tuko wangu post akawa kaende
lakini post rangavana bati kuramba hiyo wenye anapotea ukigavana
ori kile KMC wa kaende nandi ibatwe nyazi unajua fahari wakipigana Martin nyazi ndio ikomia mwananchi thai atutite kwanda Martin tupati kwethero are thirikari tugurite mbeo nara at least ika supplement madina jana tu Martin lakini madina jana leo Martin ori gavana kwere antu bekarite mabiu byao no tekarite kia
Martin have a problem with
mwananchi no kwenda ukarie kiawe kiuke awe no ntu atina mbeo
ndo na thina no reba gwika irio be musada matu bakathiurunga when it's convenient for governor gwita irio bibio kinya you get that point
of course
irio be national but na nden tukwira governor akauga ndeta akithi kandeta thwana irio bigeta anto bare bwana
tu chairman wa
ile na nden mpara nizi manto chairman na vice
chairman irio bira pati instruction ile president augete irio bia pati gwita tibio uma bie kwa sama bia tera mtu bia pati kuma Nairobi bitite tu designated areas ira china
no
lakini ndio uko yawa irio
wikende matu na ndiba getaira monkarira schedule governor ikoone kantu bara mpara getaira baba
pare titaira
mpara ingojangi
ndibora ndada
na ndime tongo te unira suspend rombuga ni irio bila ikitwe ikaya hapo mpaka wakati ataenda tena aki I have a problem with that
how soon can this be kuinvoke mantu ya at 192
just saini Martin we for us we are looking at 150,000 votes registered voters now we take big deal Martin it's 2 weeks
and you're done
and we are done we also looking whereby we can mobilize resources goodwill we do an advert we learn an advert to synthesize and to buy any importance we are serious Nicky Martin
hapo watu kujeni mpige saini hapa
bisa
mimi nitakuja
because tubere responsibility Nicky Martin tutakwenda kuita manto zangu idhone we want to move this country to the Martin the county Meru is even the richest county oringa ranking ya Meru lakini Martin and watu are responsibility batakwenda watutedia then by Martin
you know yes. Budget ya 2022-2023
yes.
iliyo tayari na kile budget yeje kuri na allocation ya award ya 10 million
yes
460 million award kinenkairwa milioni 10 muthare kinenkairwa maita yele nonto ina special award so ndiri ya atiri MCAs bani bako detara na budget bado kinyetara bwithira supplementary I thought bakendelea na na budget weje irabi uba 10 million
Martin Ntomwara tuire atri governor ingo kwira responsibility ni mwarine joawe then they were asking tuna budget ira turakurukire Martin na tare before we jago frame another way na tatumba kwa rain rina chetu
is already there
irio lakini Martin no mwanka bokare thigoro bere atri no mwanka thero bokarite thigoro Martin kuga atri onto MCA urori ku toe nongi problem akuiza in na akuiza na agent needs ingi
BTG si allocated just 10 million.
Yes.
Ne tieri to 10 million ni teri ni mirandi re kuyata kubwe.
Yes.
MCA no bati kuyana project ni bati kubwe. So this is something they should be doing now. Kuritedia ngweji the 10 million ngwe instead of ya waiting still na izidio na
allocated governor koja to bring it back to the assembly.
It is already there in budget tayari
supplementary.
The supplementary does not matter. Yes. Aki akwedro atireta supplementary then that means na kwetekanire na budget ira ya 2022-23. So okay akwedro atira leta supplementary budget then te kuona tumikia MCAs babedro bakideta.
Martin
I think
Kwenetomi. Martin,
what is the reason?
Which Martin le ogeta koria u.
Ndirio atire.
Budget iro yes. Sawa kutena mantu asa tuite supplementary. Ogoje MCA re nuku makirantima east. So utaenda kuuliza nani?
And that is why now
you cannot plan without the governor.
Okay, that is why babati kuharakisha then okulukia is ba kienda bamberia ngwe chap.
Martin the
governor.
Martin le nkoria kioria. MCAs they have done their work. Risti kuiza. Ore interview kuthithwa report ni kuandikwa rozo kwambira Martin they on the process lakini discussion area Martin MCA uri atire no it doesn't report man it's a week or so depending on
and it has been how many weeks
Martin
no National Assembly ya vetere unto 23 amona na prime na age
yes
ya vetere antuba na in 3 days baribe kurekania
Martin le battery kitha kwambira ndo of course Martin uto ina shughuli na story huu kugira Martin on MCZ pa kona ndo kwambira ni torene
let's just say at babonde indo bakuria
indo abonde na iko Martin no mwanka mwa public before the other one no mwanka mtu ainyie na Martin de move ya governor na pati ku admit the fact that ejire assembly atina nye MCA omwe na pati ku karande goro achiuria kiuria anaenda kuendelea thirikari karo because at the end of the day kinyake throa different functions chirio Martin governor na betu karandigoro akaikarandigoro wengwa aka observe manto akona tri ntiombo survive Martin ano igoro amwere you can't survive
you know what I think ni atri anto baiba kumenya mantu yo ati MCA governor yo atena MCA kinyomwe and up to some point I agree ati kura ndo kama tete boyo bya mauta beterori to be fair
Martin wero inawe ngoka atukuja accept wewe ngo ina issue because that reality and how politics is either
but nendele ibaka matete mauta ko gento kalembera wiro tuko gichunki I found it really interesting na governor weta kyo ya opponents kiuteke bo gena mauta.
Yeah, and that is why I'm saying kula ndo baka matete boyo we mauta.
Kinyanga bana wengo na ikamaterete.
Exactly.
Kwanza we drama mutongi.
Yongo kwela tere Martin kito minkuka inya sisi batakurukwa Martin ikibo kiwa kamatere kyo kila ward MCA that no thomanera you see and embarrassment and so forth and today you need kuleta new issues but Martin sometimes kirale mo akira you see silent is also a weapon you decide
but anaongea tu hivi anachoma.
Yes na ndio onenkro mic my friend you
choma kile kitu gavana kwa kuruki ni mandazi turuge
sure how
yeah okay
na ugo nande
miradi then kilo kima ndazi kede
Martin utogo ma intention yako kwa anti baka matete biao it's also embarrassing
wewe mbi mo kama tete
wewe nyamo mero na kama tete kukia wewe ndo nako na mpempe chako anda see kila mtu ana concern zake but it's for to take leadership you see Martin backstop
how about you just agree World Fund is not constitutional.
It not.
Ye nengwe ya governor kwethwa akirita. The only blunder akubwithia ni kwethwa ate ko watana na MCAs. But mantu ya World Fund should not really be an issue kya kwethwa ate kwenda then so be it. No to it take arithetera na watho bwe kukuwa ati na nenka na allocate becha kiri ward. What is supposed to be done ni atiri ward yethiro yina maendeleo. Does not matter whether kwina ward fund kana kuthithira kwinio. Ake kwithiro kwina maendeleo kubwitho ward inera because for starters ward fund is not good. Yani otina okinyere kiri watho.
I agree with you, Martin. Tukwetekania tu ndo tino odd fund ere. But it's as a political. You see, Martin nyawe naambiria kwa milioni gani igeto. MCA no aku akathie barabara nyango giwe teu.
Well, Bible bishop na Bible ni wethe mdote aloka ikia.
The obinyeri
You've chosen specifically that verse. Orekwa manto ya rongo.
Martin, uninye actually have an issue also with the MCAs. MCAs bena another way of kugwata milioni bakwenda. Martin ketha bakaitamize every problem irabena yo kiri budget irabakadithia.
Now that is the way to go.
Yes, bakaitamize
kiri budget.
Kiri budget.
Budget irabaretera baitamize bawe ni ndarasa ya kirogine antwana barabarana.
Yes. Bamekire milio bagekire mbecha because of
now that is the best way ya kudili na
Martin. I totally agree. Kabisa. Nikitu mingokera Martin antobabonde abo tuchumbora. Nonto kila mtu anajua sheria yake. MCA na hizi barabara ile abati ku represent key budget ensure point A the others and
various
as specify na reago specify Martin ikieto mitukugatire are mako kinya ku specify then to baringata to baani nonto to because to amonengere nafasi ya kuto represent are go to represent on the table to represent I budget yeza ekire from point A to point B. Na tena Martin na technical no etinya ke staff barabandi ki county. Nonto engineers beku no MCA engineer beku bamu kuotere barabara ba ukibek already mawa kenda bomba kuthithia in terms of kuwekera budget into figures so that mwananchi agire kwa unande MCAs bena responsibility